Hey guys! Hello there! Welcome to IPINKIT! Today, I'm going to be sharing what I ate in a day. I feel like these videos are very helpful because I get to show you what I eat in a day. I need a better introduction. You know what? If you're allergic to gluten, soy, nuts, pea, lentils, or chickpeas, or if you're looking to avoid processed food but still eat plant-based meals, then this video is for you. So continue watching! Good morning, beautiful people! I think it's time I show you my avena recipe. My oatmeal recipe. I don't share oatmeals very often on my channel, but I have them a good 4 times a week. I honestly thrive on oats, so let me show you how I make it. I use these gluten-free oats and I really hope that you see, I'm about to run out of them, but we're gonna add some oats. I don't measure things, I'll just go intuitive. And then don't come at me because I'm using this milk. Honestly, this is the only one that I can find, but I promise this year it's gonna be the year where I'm going to learn how to make my own oatmeal. I've done it before, doesn't taste good, that's why I don't do it. Here's the juice, literally the juice. This is what's going to transform your oatmeal. You guys ready? I can open it. Pomegranate seeds. I swear they make a huge difference. I add them before I actually microwave my oats. I love to add as much as possible. It's gonna give it a nice flavor. Alright, we're going to microwave this for 1 minute. I'm quite disappointed. It is what it is. Look at what we got here. A delicious bowl of oatmeal. If you have not started microwaving your pomegranate seeds, you're missing out. I don't know about you, but after this video you'll be craving a sweet potato too. Just kidding. But yes, definitely. We're gonna steam it for 20 minutes. I'm gonna make a quick tomato sauce. For that I'm going to need 1 tomato, some cumin powder, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika powder, a splash of water, and 2 teaspoons of tapioca flour. Next, grab your sweet potato, which should be steamed. If it's not ready yet, go ahead and steam it for 5 more minutes. You're gonna scoop the top, that way this resembles a canoe. Then just go ahead and add your tomato sauce. Finally, wrap your sweet potato and bake it for 50 minutes at 380 Fahrenheit degrees. While I wait for my sweet potato, I was thinking I can make a juice. So I have 2 of these small carrots, so we're gonna go ahead and use them. Start with 1. Let me just slice it. I hate cutting beets because it makes everything pink. Well, I love the color, I just don't like my stuff to be messy. Alright, let's messy. I've got my juice. I get a lemon. Well, lime, I think they're called lime. Lemon, lime, those words go interchangeable because I speak Spanish. But this is a lime, so I got lime juice. Let's get the rest of the. And then I go ahead and just add a little bit of water. I don't add any sweeteners or anything. I just drink it like this. So get some water. Make some toppings by smashing 1 avocado with some lime juice. This is actually caramelized. It's the best. Alright, so let me get a plate and we'll start preparing it. Add some kale,
guacamole, green onions, parsley flakes, and pumpkin seeds.
I don't think you guys understand how excited I am to try this. Okay, sweet potatoes happen to be my favorite vegetable, but I don't want to destroy it. Let me use a knife so I can get a tiny slice. Ooh, it is so soft. And then combine with the avocado and everything on top. Let's taste it. This is so good. Oh god. You will love me if you try this. And you're probably wondering, why didn't I add that many vegetables? Well, I have the juice that has a beet and also carrots. It has 2 carrots. Perfect. And I love how my lips turn pink naturally. I'm a little hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a smoothie.
To make the smoothie, add 1 banana, oat milk, 1 scoop of pumpkin protein powder, 1 scoop of moringa powder, and 1 scoop of green spirulina.
But it's so good. It tastes like vanilla ice cream with something green. I guess the moringa?
Alright, to make the tortillas, you're gonna need half a cup of brown rice flour, a quarter cup of tapioca flour, and 3/4 of a cup of water. You're gonna add this gradually until your tortilla mix is very liquid. Grease your pan with some olive oil and start making your tortillas. It's gonna take a few minutes to cook it on each side. For the meat substitute, I'm going to be using portobello mushroom. For this, go ahead and clean the gill, and then just go ahead and cut them the way that I'm showing in this video. Alright, for what I eat in a day videos, I'm really bad measuring spices, but I add paprika powder, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and a little bit of water. Next, start preparing your taco fillings. I'm going to be using tomatoes, onions, and some spinach. Once I assemble my tacos, I just add a side of kidney beans. These tortillas and mushroom carnitas are a must try. I promise you will love me.
Thank you so guys. Thank you so guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Well, I think you got my full personality in this video, and let me know if you like it. But I just want to say thank you so much for actually taking your time to watch this video. I know you have other important things to do, and for you to dedicate some time to actually watch and learn with me how to eat healthier means the world to me. I do this because I know that veganism has changed my life, and if you've been following me for a while, you already know my health journey and all the struggles that I had. And going plant-based despite having all these food allergies changed me, and it gave me like a new opportunity to be a better version of myself. And I just have so much happiness, and I want to share that with the world. It was like a second opportunity for me because I know that I've been able to heal, but as well I'm going to be able to prevent a lot of diseases that I could get because of my autoimmunity diseases. That's another topic. But when you eat healthier, you're increasing your lifespan, and I just want to make sure that what I do can help others, that I can have an impact on you. So thank you for taking your time to watch me. I really hope that you learned so much with my recipes. Let me know in the comments below which is the one that you want to try, if not all of them. And if you have a special request of one recipe you would like me to make, then go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. But also, if you have not subscribed to IPINKIT, make sure you subscribe. All you need to do is click this red button on your screen. And trust me, it's free, but if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video, then go ahead and click that bell. I think I want to get to a point where I upload every Sunday, but also I upload on weekdays where I just feel like I have something to share and I want to share it with you. So that way we keep it like more energized and with more ideas here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking this video, and I'll see you next week with a brand new video. Bye guys, and happy Veganuary!